Hi everyone, welcome to the 49th session of Python for Machine Learning. In this session, we will learn how to build pie charts with Python. So what we'll do, we'll import matplotlib and the pandas library as usual, and then we'll start with the process. So suppose we have a labels, like we have 4 countries from where most of the students from India goes for higher education. So we'll have labels is equals to USA, UK, Germany, and Australia. And then we have the sizes, like how many students will go for the higher study. So this is just for example. Okay, 230, 150, 210, then 240. Okay, this is done. And the color combination for each of this will choose like dark orange, dark orange, then say dark green, then light coral, just light coral, and light sky blue. Okay, after that we'll plot our pie chart, plt.pie, and first we'll give sizes, what is the count, how many students are going, then we'll give labels is equals to labels, comma, colors is equals to colors, and auto percentage, like how it will fit in your pie chart, equals to percentage 1.1 percentage start angle equals to, we give 140, and it will cover this, and then we'll give plt.show. If we execute this is how it is. Give here one. So that's how our first pie chart is done. Now if we want to do some experiment on this, like if we want to explode this, first for USA we want to bring the piece of this cake out, okay, of this. So how do we do this? Like we'll give explode is equals to 0.1, comma, for the rest we don't want, we only want for the first country, right? So we'll execute this, and now we can see like it's not going. We have not included this explode parameter, so we'll give here explode is equals to de. Now we will execute this, it should come. Okay, you can see this piece of pie is coming out. Now similarly, if you want to get for UK also to make it come out, we can give 0.1 and it should work. If you want to make it a bit further ahead, just give this positioning here, value change it to 5, and you can see it is coming more out of this circle. So it's up to you. Now if you want to use legend, plt dot, okay, you can see that using the plt.legend it is coming properly. Now what we'll do, we'll use the example of the previous like in the from the previous data visualization. In the bar plot we have this survive by class and all those things was there, right? So we'll copy all these things, and first of all df is equals to pd dot read csv train dot csv. Now we are ready, we'll execute this. Okay, so if you open your variable explorer and if you see the values here, survive by age, survive by class, it has a number, okay, like survive and how many percentage. So if you give survive by age dot value counts, okay, and if you give survive by dot. So similarly, what we have done now, if you want to plot this using the pie chart, we have to simply use. Now here instead of sizes, we have to give survive by. We'll give by class first, okay? And then we don't want to explode anything here. Like we don't want that pie to come out, so we'll delete it for the time being. And the labels, what is the labels here? There are three labels, right? 1, 2, and 3. We need to provide 1, 2, 3. Okay. Like autopct is fine, startangle is fine, plt.legend is fine. So we'll execute this, and our pie chart is formed. Now similarly, we'll do it for survive by sex. For sex, we have two like labels, male, comma. Okay. Now, what if you want to do like we will now execute it based on the age. Okay. So here in this, we'll give age, and again there will be there is no category for the age column. Okay. So if we give age, we'll get a mixed distribution for the age column. So we'll have a look at this. We'll remove this labels for age because we don't have any label set label. There are so many different distribution for the age column. So if you execute this, yeah, you can see here, right? There's so many different distribution for the age column. Now similarly, we'll check for the embarked column. So we'll give here embarked. Okay, and for embarked we have three options: S, CQ. Okay, so if we execute this, you can see that your values come. Now this is a now if you give this start angle as 90, it means that the start angle of the pie slices in degree, where 0 is the top and 90 degree is the right. So if we execute this, somewhere here will have a 90 degree thing. So you can see here 90 degree, it's coming like that. Okay. So thanks a lot for watching the session. If you feel this video is helping you, please subscribe to this channel and also press the like button for this video. I'll be coming up some more videos in the next session, and that's it for this session. Thank you.